Hi guys, welcome to Gold Today. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week and from the United States, as we all know, it's the week of the Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone. There will be the jobs figures by Thursday, and that's all for the economic calendar. Enjoy your holiday and enjoy your Christmas. We will be moving now to have a look at the numbers. On the last week, gold traded between 1470 to 1481. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. On the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price at above 1477. The numbers rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading in a bullish trend. It's above the 20 days, 50 days daily simple moving averages and the 200 days as well, and it's below the 100 days daily simple moving average, and the momentum is seen neutral to strong. The RSI readings are 55 on the daily, 57 on the weekly, 63 on the monthly, moderate on all the charts, and the supports are seen about 1458.22, then 1446.8, and then 1434, the multiple years support. Then we have a resistance about 1486, then 1498, and then 1521. That's all for the numbers. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again. Before talking about gold, we are going to talk about the US equities. Any crazy rally in the US equities, if you look in the history for similar rallies, you will find unique, multiple, identifiable stages. Those rallies usually they start with a move to the upside and followed with a rough sell-off, which you will realize later on that it's been a bear trap, and we've been there. Call it stage number one. Stage number two, the market will be bought back and it will advance until it takes the attention of the media, and also we've been there. Stage number three, the market will start sharply climbing higher and higher every day. There will be a record high, and this stage you can call it greed and illusion. Then we reach a top. Usually we call it the paradigm shift stage, when the market participants are convinced totally and completely that this market is not going to fall and it will just keep grinding higher and higher endlessly. Welcome, sir, you have arrived at your destination. We are now at the paradigm shift stage. If we are true, if our analysis is true, if our analysis is right, this stage should be followed with a stage of a phase of a sell-off, coupled with denial, where you see the mainstream not believing what's happening, and this sell-off will be bought back, but you realize then that it's been a bull trap. Then the market will have only a catastrophic sell-off, which will take the market again to its back to gold. It's obvious that the yellow metal is not impressed by what is going around. Gold is holding its place, and this is not an invitation for you to buy so far, but if gold could stay above 1500 with a close, then load up, my friend, because if that is the case, the US equities will be going through tough correction. Also note, with all the positive news in the markets, nothing really have been solved. The credit bubble, it's still there and it's widening, and the US debt and deficits are both there and they are growing up in multiples, and the Fed is just printing money on shift spaces to cover up the huge gap in the money markets. So the crisis is seriously unavoidable. But again, we do need to wait a confirmation of a close above 1500. From there, you can also add silver, because if there is a rally to take place in gold, and this will be the second rally. The second rally, usually silver will outperform. That's all for today. Merry Christmas, everyone. Enjoy your week, enjoy your Christmas, enjoy the year end. I wish you a very nice 2020 where you will really attain your financial targets and all your targets as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next week in another video.